Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Before you all leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you do enjoy this video. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a challenge per se. This is an old challenge, but I just, I cannot speak. Okay, it popped in my head to do, I believe they were doing this like 3 years ago, where you apply your makeup with your fingers, no brushes are to be used at all. So I'm gonna be doing that today because, like I said, it just popped in my head last night, and I was like, hey, let me look up and see, who's done this, when's the last time they've done this, and it's been a while since I've actually seen somebody do this. So I'm like, hey, that'll be fun, huh? To like completely destroy my face and waste makeup, right? Another thing is I'm gonna be using some new makeup that I haven't used before, so that's fun as well. So we're going to see how this goes. Kind of tested it out a little bit on my face when I first got the makeup, and I used my fingers. That's where I got the idea from, because I didn't feel like going to get my makeup brushes. So, and it turned out kind of bad. So it's like, why are you doing this? It already turned out bad, so why the sorcery? I don't understand. But I thought it would still be fun to just do it. Hey, what could go wrong? So if you're interested to see me destroy my face with a ton of makeup, then just stay tuned. So guys, we're a little bit closer to my face just so you can see in full detail, see every detail when I apply this makeup to my face. So I have a little mirror down here, so that's what I'm going to be looking at in case you guys were wondering. The first thing I'm going to do, of course, is prime. And I've used this primer before, but not on camera, I don't think. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. And of course, with a primer, most people don't use that with a brush, so I just dropped the top. This part should be fairly easy. For the sake of my makeup not looking as horrible, I'm gonna, at least start with an okay base. I should probably not try any new techniques in this video because there's this one thing that I want to try. Anyways, I'm gonna just go ahead and with the foundation. So the foundation I'm going in with, like I said, I'm using new products, is this e.l.f. Oil-Free Medium Coverage Flawless Satin Foundation. I keep wanting to twist this. It doesn't twist. The top is you can't twist it. I don't know why I keep wanting to twist it. It pops open like that. One day. So it has this little squeezy top. I did, like I said, I tried this out before, and yeah, that's why it looks like it's used, because it has been used. So I'm just gonna roll my sleeves up because it's about to get messy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pump a few pumps. That's probably too much. Anyways, about that much on my hand. And then I'm just gonna apply it to my face. I'm really just rubbing this in like it's lotion or like a primer or like a moisturizer or something, and it's not. This is so foundation. So, trying to blend this out to the best of my ability. Oh. Let's go ahead and apply this concealer. This is the Revlon Color Stay Full Coverage Concealer in the color 070 Nutmeg. This is too dark to be a concealer for me, but I'm using it as like a concealer, like to conceal, even though there's really, I just want to be extra. That's all. So I'm just gonna apply this. This is literally like my skin tone. And then I'm just gonna use my middle finger to blend this out. I got my paper towel here. Just gonna use that to wipe all this makeup off. I'm gonna go in with my usual Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer, and this is in 161 Nude. This is the concealer I normally use. I'm just gonna go in and go the same areas that I conceal with the darker concealer. This is a little lighter, just to add like that pop of brightness under my eyes. I'm talking like I know what I'm doing, but no. That's all we doing. I'm gonna just blend it out again with my middle finger. Okay, next step is to go in with a powder. I'm going to be using this Black Radiant True Complexion Loose Setting Powder, and this is in the color Banana. So that's what we're using. And I'm literally like, maybe tap off the excess. And then apply that right here. Okay. I'm gonna just pour this. Then I'm gonna stamp like that, tap off the excess, and then just like. Oh, I just poked my eye. Oh! I'm gonna go in with this Revlon new Photo Ready Candid Anti-Pollution Setting Powder. And this is in the color 003. That's what that looks like. Can you see what that color, the color is? I use that probably for my face. It has like a little pop top, drop top, pop top. Yep, has that. So I'm gonna just pour a little bit of this in here. That's just a little bit. We don't want to do too much. So we're gonna just pour a little bit in here, and then go with my favorite finger and like just do a little thing like that here. Tap off the excess, and then like rub it on my face. Oh. I wonder when people did this challenge. Did they do the eyebrows? I probably should have did my research before I just did this, huh? I completely missed my nose, by the way. Let's just go ahead and hit that right now before I forget to hit that again later. It's okay. And I missed my forehead too. Wow. Today we get a pass because this is all for fun. Oh, for the next one, I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face. That's easy, right? We can do that, huh? I'm just using this Rimmel London Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. We're using this today. Okay, so I can like use my finger, cause my eyebrows, I mean, I could like use my finger as like a brush. Like I'm blending the product. Let's do that. I don't think that would be cheating, right? Right? Okay, so I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil here. I'm not gonna use the spoolie end. I'm just gonna use the brush. We're not using any brushes. I'm gonna use the pencil end and draw in my brows and use my finger to blend it out. I wanna say, yeah. Don't go overboard. Do not go overboard. So does that mean I can't use it? I don't want to set these darn brows anyway. Cause that would be like me using a brush. So does that mean I can't do mascara, or am I taking this video like too literally? Let's move on to contour. I'm gonna be using, actually I'm not contouring today. I'm just gonna bronze a little bit. I don't usually contour anyway. I don't know why I said that. I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Recon bronzer. I'm gonna take my favorite finger, just rub that on in there, just like that. We're just gonna dive right in to these cheeks. We're not even gonna address my hair right now. Yeah, should have mentioned that at the beginning of the video, but you know, it didn't cross my mind, so I forgot to mention that. That's enough, huh? Did that do it? Ah, it did. I just gave myself a new nose. Like, see, if you zoom the camera out, it actually doesn't look bad. It actually looks okay. Blush. Let's go in with some blush. Beauty Benefits Hollywood blush. Ooh. Ooh, honey. Wait a minute. I might have just ruined this look. Hold on. Let me use my favorite. I wasn't using my favorite finger. I wasn't using my good finger. See what happens when you switch up? Like when you switch up on your barbers, or like when you switch up on your hairstylist and then they messed you up. Same concept. Now my good finger has to do all the fixing. Self promo. If you guys haven't seen my Dollar Tree makeup videos, like I have more than one. My Dollar Tree makeup video, I'm gonna link it up in the cards somewhere up here. I'm gonna link it for you guys to check out if that's something that you would actually want to do. No pressure. Highlight. We're gonna go in with this AOA Studio. This is from Shop Miss A. This highlight palette, and I'm gonna go with the shade that I always use. This golden shade here. I'm gonna use my good finger. I'm gonna tap into that. It's a lot. Oh wait, that was a little much. Set the face one more time. Whew, that stuff is strong. This video is probably super long. Hopefully you guys don't mind. I'm gonna put on a little mascara. This is the same mascara that I usually use. This e.l.f. mascara here. I'm gonna get messy. This is probably a bad idea, but that's okay because it's all for the sake of this video. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Don't try this at home. I'm gonna take my finger and just like take the mascara, right? And like put on my finger like that. I just dropped the mascara. I'm gonna is that doing anything? I think I need some more mascara. Do that. Oh, I dropped it again. That didn't work. Oh, I should probably try a lippy, huh? We're gonna go bold today and like be like dramatic, or am I just gonna put on a lip gloss? Am I gonna just like keep it safe? I feel like that would be OD, huh? I should probably just like do a nude or something. Let's go in with this lipstick. It's like so hard to get off. That's why I like stopped wearing it. We're gonna go in with this NYX NYX, whatever you wanna call it, liquid suede cream lipstick, and this is in like a deep purple. Oh, put it on. It's called Oh, Put It On. It's like a deep purple, like a plum purple-ish type of color. So I'm just gonna take it and just like wipe it off just like that, and then I'm gonna start applying this to my lips. Let's do the easy part first, huh? This is the finishing look. How'd it turn out? Do you guys like it? Y'all want a close up? Okay, we'll do a close up. Yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe if you were entertained at least a little bit. If it made you laugh a little bit, you know, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. And yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.